longest someone's ever gone to sleep is 11, and they were getting like vivid hallucinations. The main one being followed around by a top hat.
What's up, guys? I'm in Bristol city centre. What do you do, Mitch?
I'm a student. How can a man not sleep for 8 days?
Go without sleep.
Ahmed Muhammad Ali.
So how can someone go without his sleep for 8 days?
Fabian Peace.
How can somebody go without sleep for 8 days?
Because he slept like the nights.
Have you got any idea? I have no idea. It's good representation of my university that I'm struggling this much.
Says he sleeps at night.
Just matchsticks.
That could work. That could work. But they sleep during the nights.
Huh?
Nights.
8 days, yeah, fair.
There are 12 apples in a basket.
Okay.
If you take 5 away, how many do you have?
Now.
There are 12 apples in a barrel. If you take 5 away, how many do you have? How can a man lift an elephant with one hand?
Maybe if they're using like a, I don't know, truck or something. Yeah, some sort of pickup thing. Mum,
Mom, rescue.
what do you think? How can you lift the elephant with one hand? I said using like a forklift.
With great difficulty. Wait, you just got me. 12. That's gonna be 7.
Are you sure? So I'm gonna say again. There are 12 apples.
You confused me, man.
As-
You just like confused, dog. Okay.
So the answer, we said the answer was 5. How do you feel?
Guilty.
I said guilty. So you got one right. It's 2 questions. One right, one wrong. That's absolutely right. That's bang on.
That question was so easy. I was about to...
There are 12 apples in a barrel, you take 5 away, how many do you have? I feel like the answer is probably just like 7. Well, I don't have any apples, they're not mine. You have 5.
There are 12 apples in a barrel. If you take 5 away, how many do you have?
So there are 12 apples in a barrel. If you take 5 away, how many are left? How many? If you take,
How many do you have?
you still got 12. 5? No, you got 5.